About a year ago, I bought some relatively inexpensive seats for my Supervette, and I thought now would be a good time to do a 1-year review of how they've held up. I put these seats in because they have the thinnest back, which is really handy when you have a back seat still. You can have some leg room, and they also have nice sliding rails. The third factor was the width. These were the narrowest sports seats that I could find, and they actually fit in a Chevette. My Supervette kind of works as my work truck too. We're hauling some steel right now, and I'm not the easiest on the interior pieces just because, well, it works for me. From May to October, we use this car just about daily. The seats we put in are the Performance World Sport Seat 2. Let's go over what I like about these seats. I like the price point. I like how they feel. They actually are quite comfortable. I'm a size 34 waist, and I'm 6'1" tall, and I'm able to fit comfortably into a Chevette with these seats. They actually make the Chevette feel bigger, which is nice. The sliding rails have a lot of distance. You can slide back and forth, which is nice. It gives you a little more legroom when you don't have rear passengers. And even though there's bolsters on the seats, you can drive 3 to 4 hours, I've found from experience, and still have feeling in your legs, which I think is a pretty big accomplishment for a very narrow seat. We've taken this car on a few road trips since we've installed the seats. I like the fact that there's not a lot of pleats in these seats. It's all just sewn together straight, and that makes cleaning up an easier job, which is something you don't always think about when you buy a set of seats. And maybe you do have some size constraints too. The nice thing about these seats that I really did like is right on their website, they have all the dimensions to their seats as well as their mounting dimensions, which was very helpful in ordering because I was able to see that a majority of the seats would not fit in my car, which was helpful. The other thing that I like about this that I haven't yet done is you can buy the raw material. As you can see, my back seat is in pretty rough shape, and so the next thing I want to do is buy the raw material that matches the front seats, and I want to recover the back seat. I also like the way that it makes you feel when you're driving the car. I mean, that's the whole point of a sports seat, is to connect you to the car in a more direct form. When you're cornering, you feel very planted in the seat, even with just a shoulder belt. Some of the things that I would change. I wish they would have some better form of stitching along the velour or foamy part in the middle. As you can see, the stitching is starting to pull a bit right on the seat cushion, and it's only a year, I guess a year and a half old. Would I buy these in the future again? I am considering buying these again for my mid-engine Chevette when I eventually get to that stage. My only hesitation is that material pull. I mean, by the time I'm getting seats for the mid-engine Chevette, these seats will probably have 2.5 years, maybe 3 on them, and so I'll have my mind made up at that point. It will be clear to see. But that is my only hesitation. That is one drawback. And I mean, I don't think you can expect to have the most awesomest material and the most awesomest everything for $600 Canadian. But I think if you're looking for an entry-level sports seat, I think this is still a viable option that you should consider. Especially if you're not going every day on your seat. I mean, I'm probably using the seat maybe a little harder than was intended. But if you're going just a little bit less, maybe you're going, you know, it's a weekend machine or it's just your sunny day machine, I'd say they'd hold up probably a little better. If you're not hauling lumber, if you're not hauling steel, all these things that, you know, bounces on the cushions, that kind of stuff. That's all for now, guys. As always, go make something. Have some fun with your buddies and go fast.